The CAD to SCM mode within Simulation Hub represents a massive leap forward in computational lithography, perfectly balancing extreme mathematical precision with an incredibly simple user experience. From the moment you switch to CD to SCM mode, you are greeted with a clean, logically organized layout that hides complex physics behind intuitive, accessible menus. Simplicity is at the core of the CAD generator, allowing you to instantly define grid sizes ranging from 256 by 256 to 2048 by 2048 with a single dropdown. You no longer need to be a coding expert to generate synthetic data. Creating thousands of training layouts is as easy as moving a slider and clicking Generate Batch. Flexibility shines through its diverse pattern library, offering automated generation for random lines, contacts, drum cells, and highly specific metrology geometries like line-ins or crosses. True innovation is evident in the dual-engine optical simulator, giving you the freedom to choose between the lightning-fast Hopkins SVD method or the highly rigorous Abbe integration. Adjusting complex optical parameters, such as numerical aperture, NA, or wavelength, is handled via beautifully simple numeric inputs rather than tedious configuration files. The application offers unparalleled flexibility in illumination tuning, seamlessly supporting annular, dipole, and conventional source shapes, as well as simple resist thresholding. The system's innovative line edge roughness, LER, engine allows you to inject highly realistic stochastic defects by simply tweaking frequency and amplitude parameters. For electron beam dynamics, the physics parameters menu provides an elegant way to control edge gain and blur sigma, instantly mimicking the interaction volume of a real SEM. Target signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, is controlled dynamically, meaning you can flood your simulated images with true-to-life quantum noise with absolute ease. A standout innovation of the CAD to SEM mode is the native Integrated Neural Network, INN, training environment. The software completely demystifies AI development. Pressing Train INN automatically captures your active optical and physical settings to instantly build a bespoke deep learning proxy. The flexibility of the tool allows you to save and load different tool recipes instantly using the lightweight JSON parameter manager. Crosstalk module pushes the boundaries of innovation by allowing users to simulate in-lens detectors that capture both secondary and backscattered electrons. As soon as a batch is generated or mixed, the results are automatically saved with self-documenting file names, streamlining your entire data science workflow. The center canvas leverages interactive, zoomable, and pan-friendly workspace, replacing static, frustrating image viewers. This central visualizer effortlessly handles high-resolution outputs, allowing you to seamlessly tab between the original CAD, the optical aerial image, and the final physics SEM. If an ML proxy model is loaded, its ultra-fast inference results are plotted right alongside the rigorous physics, enabling direct, simple visual comparison. The robust Python backend utilizes asynchronous I/O binding, guaranteeing that your user interface remains snappy and responsive even while crunching massive Fourier transforms. To accommodate diverse research needs, the CD pattern generator is highly flexible, supporting both tightly packed matrices and highly sparse feature arrays. When batch simulating, the software intuitively saves the pristine CAD mask right next to the simulated TIFFs, making machine learning dataset curation fundamentally effortless. The flexibility of the framework means the entire simulation hub can be operated locally or hosted across a lab network for collaborative innovation. Ultimately, CAD to SEM breaks down the barriers of semiconductor modeling, delivering a flexible, innovative sandbox where complex lithography physics becomes incredibly simple to explore.